Hey, hi, Patrick here. I hope you have enjoyed the first video that I shared with you about getting started to make money online by promoting Clickbank's affiliate program. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how smart affiliates make money with affiliate marketing. You see, there are many ways to promote affiliate programs online, and here are a few common methods. Well, you can write an article based on the affiliate program you wanted to promote, and at the end of the article, promote the affiliate program with your affiliate link. Here's another idea. Create review sites to review Clickbank's products. Then inside the review, have your affiliate link linking to the products. The other idea? Well, you can create as many social pages as possible by using social sites like hubpages.com, squidoo.com, tumblr.com, etc. Then promote the affiliate program inside your social pages. The truth is there are plenty more of other methods to promote affiliate programs. But I do affiliate marketing differently, so does all of these smart affiliates today. We don't promote affiliate programs directly. All of our promotion funnel into one purpose, to a squeeze page to build a mailing list. Okay, this is an example of a squeeze page. Let me explain why building a list is always better than promoting affiliate programs to your first time website visitor, aka your traffic. Yes, you may make money if you promote an affiliate program directly, but you get to promote for just one time. If they purchase the product through your affiliate link, you'll make the commission, but you're not going to make another commission unless you start all over again. It also means you will always be working day and night. And what if they don't buy the recommended affiliate program that you recommend to them? Well, all of your efforts and money will just go down the drain. But let's look at the second situation where you drive traffic to a squeeze page instead. If you build a list, theoretically you can promote to the same subscriber as many times as you wish. So when you have a list, you can be reaching your prospect at any time you wish, thus allowing you to control and predict your income. So let me paint a simple illustration here. Assuming you have 5,000 subscribers in your list and you mail out as little as just say once a week. Now, to make the math simple for our illustration here, let's say you only make $20 per sale. If only 1% of them buy, you'll be making $1,000 per week. And technically, all by just sending out an email. That's a nice paycheck of $4K a month. Not too shabby with affiliate marketing, isn't it? Now, obviously, if you want to make $8,000 a month, you just need to focus on having 10,000 subscribers instead. You start to see how simple it is to make internet marketing works by now? The truth is, the real secret to all gurus are using to make money online is right in front of you here. So let's see technically what you need to have to get started. First, a domain name and a hosting. Second, a squeeze page. Third, an offer to entice the visitors to subscribe, and an autoresponder. Well, pretty much that's all you need to have to get started. I guess the missing piece to complete this system is driving traffic. And interestingly, that is the easiest part of all. You see, most people struggle to get traffic because they are looking at the wrong angle. They are trying their best to get traffic for free. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but please allow me to explain. Assuming that you have just opened a cafe in your neighborhood, how would you promote your business conventionally? Well, you could be doing any of these. Run ads in your local newspaper, buy ads in your local food review magazines, print flyers to be distributed, and so on. If you study carefully, it's about spending money to get the prospects. It's about advertising your business. Because the internet is free, it doesn't mean everything is free. If we start treating our online business as a business, we'll start to plan it differently. The fact is, there are unlimited traffic on the internet for you to buy. For a start, you can simply buy traffic from Facebook at facebook.com/advertising. Frankly, with Facebook alone, you'll probably have enough traffic for your entire business. So, when smart affiliates promoting affiliate programs, here's how it looks like. They drive traffic, and usually they'll get traffic from paid traffic. They drive traffic to a squeeze page to build a mailing list of subscribers. Then they promote affiliate programs in the email follow-ups and mass email mail-out. Now, I'm not sure whether the gurus have shared this with you before, but what you have seen in this video is really the secret to internet marketing. This is the formula that I use to build my internet business empire for the past 10 years. But this is not the end yet. Watch out for my third sequel video where I'll reveal to you the true missing gap to this internet goldmine that can literally give you the personal freedom that you want. This is Pratik Chan here, and I look forward to share with you more good stuff. Thanks.